Hi, I'm Joselyn. And to make things short, I changed a bit over the past year. So I decided to make a video showing or documenting the new me because I feel like I'm growing a lot recently. So I kind of touched on the subject in my last video, which was me getting my tattoo. I just wanted to find some cool way to document the process and bring you guys along with me. The definition of change is to make someone or something different, alter, or modify. This lighting sucks so bad. Okay, so I just got my nails done. I got this really light pink, super pretty color. I wanted to start off with some physical changes because I feel like when you make a physical change, it kind of enhances all the changes that come after it. It's like the first step if you know what I'm getting at right here. It's basically a physical reset. So with that being said, I'm about to cut my hair off. Now I'm not cutting it all off, but I am getting a really healthy haircut. I've been wanting to get a haircut for quite some time now, and I just feel like this would be the perfect time to do it. Kind of like a reset, cutting off all my dead ends. So yeah, let's go get my hair cut. Okay, so I just got my hair cut. Let me zoom you out. I got a good amount cut off. I feel so much better. I kind of wanted shorter, but I feel like if I would have gone too short, I wouldn't have liked it. So besides getting my nails done and my haircut, there's one more thing I wanted to kind of fix or change physically, and that would be my style. So I'm filming this a couple weeks back just so that when everything comes, it'll be in time for my trip to Savannah in November. But I really wanted to find some new clothing items for my trip. So I think the first place that I'm gonna look at is Tilly's. I love Tilly's and I literally always find stuff on there. It's kind of like a beachy, mountain vibey kind of store. And then in a couple of days, I might go to the mall and go shopping. Hopefully some dressing rooms will be open, but we'll see. Well, that was $80 down the drain. Okay, this is exciting. Got my package from Tilly's. I got this North Face jacket in a really dark green color. I don't own any North Face jackets, so this will be the first. It's like a hoodie, and it's really cute. And then I also got this like plaid, light pink blush, I guess. Flannel. Like literally look how cute this is. It looks so dark on camera, but I promise it's not. And it says North Face on the back. And this is so cute. So besides going and ordering stuff online, I decided to go to the mall. And this is what I got. So from American Eagle, I got another pink flannel. This one is so cozy. I got this summery purple like halter t-shirt, and then this is like so not me, but at the same time it kind of is. It's just this collar super beachy t-shirt thing, and it has like florals on it. And then I also got this green shirt that says gender free on the back. I just thought it was super cute. This is like super heavy and really heavy duty. Then from Victoria's Secret I got underwear, but I'm not gonna show it. And then I got this clay all day mask and then spray. So that's it. So I know I just spent so much freaking money on clothes, but I decided to buy one last very important thing. So I got a drone. I really wanted to kind of up my channel game or change my channel game. Not to be selfish, but I feel like I have a lot of talent when it comes to filming and editing, and I wanted to put it to use more. So I decided to purchase my first drone. I actually had another drone, but it wasn't the best quality. I decided to buy the DJI Mavic Mini. Okay, so I'm currently at a state park near where I live. I couldn't fly it in my neighborhood because I am within 5 miles of an airport, and the drone itself won't take off if there's flights leaving or landing. So I'm going to attempt to fly my drone for the first time. I'm really nervous, but I have a big open field behind me and in front of me, so we're gonna try to get some good shots, hopefully. I decided to take a week trip down to Savannah, Georgia, where I go to school. I go to school at SCAD, if you didn't already know that. I wanted to come here as kind of a reset. I feel like the past couple months have been so full with just work and school, so I wanted to kind of get away from that stuff, and so here I am. I'm currently on a Zoom meeting. So I'm staying with my good friend Nina. You'll probably see her in a couple montage clips. But yeah, hopefully I get a good experience out of this trip. This is my first time traveling alone. The car ride was kind of interesting. It was very long and non-exciting, but at least I made it safely here, so that's good. So yeah, I'm just excited to see what comes next from this week.
So the last step I'm taking to becoming my new me is to journal it all. Now, I used to hate journaling a lot, but the more I did it, the more I fell in love with it. So it's currently at 6:45 a.m. and I'm here at Daffin Park in Savannah, Georgia. And I came here just to kind of review this past week. Even though it's been kind of a crazy week, I'm glad I got to document it all for you guys. So when I write, I don't usually write every single detail every single day. I just do an overview of each day and how I was feeling that day. I'll also ask myself future questions. So like, I'll ask myself, hey, do you still talk to this person? Are you still close to this person? And then sometimes like shorter term goals. So like, hey, did you watch this movie? Or, you know, whatever. And then with that being said, I also read and go back to past pages and answer past questions. So I think it's pretty cool, especially like with journaling and everything, that you can look back and see exactly how, or read exactly how you were feeling at that time. And you can also catch the glimpse of like the anger or happiness you were feeling. So to wrap up this video, I just wanted to say that change doesn't always have to be a bad thing. Change can be for the good, and it can better you in some ways. I used to be afraid of the word change because I always liked the idea of being comfortable where I'm at in life, but now things are changing. Things are always changing around us, and it's okay to grow, and it's also okay to reflect our own growth. So I'm going to finish this video off with one of my favorite quotes. If we don't change, we don't grow. If we don't grow, we aren't really living.
Hey. Go!
If that train could stop going off, that would be amazing. Oh my god! Stop!
HelloFresh coupon? Yes.
I was saying goodbye to you.